Hello everyone, I'm Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary and again I am back with a new function that is called ABS. First, I would like to explain about ABS function. ABS function in Excel is a mathematical function that returns the absolute value of a number. In other words, it removes the signs of the number and return the positive value. For example, if you have like a minus value, so this if you use this function will remove the minus value and give you the positive value. Like, see how ABS function works. So ABS function syntax is like equals to ABS bracket start and now the number. So my number is entire this. So just select the range and close the bracket and hit the enter. Now you can see here we have 36,400 value. We'll get the same value. Here we have a minus 5,000 value. That value here we got a positive 5,000. Again here negative 25,000. Here we get a absolute value that is positive 25,000 value. So in this basis you can use absolute ABS function in Excel, which will give you the absolute value. So in this basis you can use this function at your workplace and you can improve your skills at your workplace. Hope you guys have enjoyed this learning and thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.